How's it going? My name's Tucker from Contemporary Automotive. This right here is a 2016 Fiat 500X that we just took in. I'm going to do a quick video, go over all the features, just do a full walk around on the car and everything like that. Starting out front, this one's going to come in the Bianco Gelato clear coat. Really nice white color on this Fiat. You have your halogen headlights, your turn signals down there, and the fog lights as well. Under the hood, you're going to have an inline 4 with just around 42,000 miles on the odometer. So you're just getting started, have a ton of life left in it. Taking a walk on the side of the vehicle now, just getting a whole look at it. This is going to be a compact SUV, so you get all the great features of an SUV. You still get the storage area, still get a lot of room for your rear passengers, but in a smaller vehicle, which is a nice feature to have. Right down here, you're gonna have 18-inch wheels. This one is going to be a all-wheel drive system, which up in New England is a perfect system to have. You can drive through pretty much any weather condition without worry and just driving with a lot of confidence. You can also see around the bottom of the whole vehicle, you have the matte black plastic. That is gonna help, so any rocks that jump up are gonna hit this first and will not scratch your paint. Right here on the side markers, you're also gonna get, you have a blind spot detection. So you have a little orange indicator that lets you know something's in your blind spot, but you also have blind spot mirror as well. So you have two different ways to see if a vehicle's in your blind spot. This one's also really cool. You're gonna have a panoramic sunroof in it, and it's just a really great feature to have. I'll show you a little more once we get inside. You also are gonna have a built-in rain guards so that if it's raining out, you want your window open a crack, you won't have to worry about rain getting inside. Finishing off our walkthrough back here with the tailgate before we hop inside. First thing you're gonna see right down here in the rear bumper is going to be park sense. Really cool feature, so if anything gets too close to you, or if you're backing up at something, or if you're getting too close to something, it will beep at you and you'll get an indicator on the dash so that you know how close you are. But jumping inside, you can actually see, like I said, ton of storage back here. It also has this really nice WeatherTech style floor mat, so that you throw in something back here that's wet, dirty, anything like that, it won't get the carpet wet. But speaking of, you can actually lift up the carpet, and you have a little more storage under here as well. Under that is where the spare tire is going to be if you would need it. You also are going to have a little privacy guard, so that if anyone looks in, they can't see what's in your trunk. And lastly, if you need more storage, you can also fold down the back seats 60-40 split to give you the maximum storage capacity. Coming now into the interior, and you're gonna have this really nice saddle interior in here, brown leather all the way around, really nice. You can see it does have some storage in the back as well, and if you look above you, you are gonna have that panoramic sunroof. I will show you a little more once we get to the front and just how the whole thing looks. Coming now to the front seat, and you are gonna have heated seats up here as well in that brown leather. The 500 stitched right into the front seats as well. A really nice steering wheel. You're gonna have a bunch of buttons to control the dashboard, to set cruise control, and if you wanna, start a call, end a call, everything like that. You're gonna have the circular dashboard from Fiat, kind of a staple in what a Fiat really is. Right here, you're gonna have infotainment system, gonna have a bunch of cool stuff, Bluetooth, radio, navigation, and a bunch of settings to kind of make the vehicle your own and change kind of how you would like it. You have your shifter down here with cup holder, a little center console as well. You can also switch between the driving modes depending how the road's looking, whether you want snow, sport, or just auto. And also the emergency park is going to be right there. Parking brake is going to be right there. Right down here is where your climate control and everything is. And you're also going to have the button for the heated steering wheel and heated seats right down there as well. And if you have any more questions, or you think that this one might be the one for you, please feel free to reach out anytime. Give us a call, come on in, take it for a test drive. We're located over in Milford, New Hampshire, right after 101.